You messed up. Oh my god. Goodbye, Biggie. There's food and water all over the house. I made the bed just how you like it. Didn't do my laundry though. We dropped off door.
All gone.
Getting our oil changed and my tire pressure checked because my car is old. We did it. We arrived. Dun, 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 dun. So, as you can see, we have a living room, many chairs. I don't know why I'm explaining this to you, but they said that they have a Bluetooth speaker, which is nice. We got a little fireplace. There is a nice little backyard area where you can have a little campfire, they said. Ooh, we're right on the river too. I mean, like not literally right on, but across the street is the river. Also, I just saw my reflection and that scared me for a second. Anyway, these doors are so nice. Like it's cold, so I'm not really trying to leave this open all the time, but what a side deck. Kitchen, which is very nice. And I'm excited about, even though I already went ahead and made everything, because I trust no hoe. Closet that Ira checked out to confirm no one was already here. Ooh, we got a bedroom. I haven't actually seen this yet. I feel like I should take my shoes off. I brought my slippers for this reason. But this is one bedroom. I feel like, I don't know, Keith and Hannah are on their way, so we're gonna see which bedroom's better, and then I'm gonna call that one. Oh, how cute. All the games anyone would ever want. Here's another bedroom. That's what I'm saying. I was like, this fits so many people. Look at all these beds. Keith and Hannah could each have their own bed if they wanted to, and we'd still have extra beds. Oh, heck yeah, beanbag. And this is nice. You have a bathroom right next to all the bedrooms. Ooh. Mrs. Myers, I approve. Lauren's face, also approved. Little idiot downstairs. Cute little chair, little seating area. Oh, there's two TVs. Or is this the only TV? I don't really know. I think maybe this is the only one.
I think that's the only one.
Oh, but we got Just Dance 2.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna school you with some Just Dance later. I was doing the exact same thing I did. There's some very slim stairs. We're calling the downstairs. I'm not walking up that. I also want to see this bathroom. Oh, this is a nice rug. Oh, cool. This is huge. Yeah, Keith and Hannah get upstairs. Suckers. Well, I think I'm gonna go bring all of our stuff in. I don't even know where Ira went. What you think?
I think it's dope. I dig it.
Yeah.
I also think it's cold.
Yeah.
It's definitely cool.
Oh, nice.
Fancy.
67?
We're not paying. Let's put it up to like 85 now.
Go get this stuff. For dinner tonight.
Marinara.
Yeah, I would just, he put all the food out and just brought some sauce apparently.
I grabbed everything that looked like we could be bringing and put it on the counter.
I made everyone a lasagna. This is okay, I just need you to take a minute to understand. I made a mirepoix, then I put a combo of ground pork and beef into a pan. I added red wine, a ton of fresh spices, nice tomatoes, and this was nice meat. This was costly meat. And I handcrafted you a lasagna that this sauce had to simmer for multiple hours. And I won't get to taste it. Instead, I will be eating this sad little piece I made the other day, which I had 2 pieces and then Ira ate one of them.
Did you bring dish soap?
I don't trust anyone. Ira also, because he's such a sissy, because he only drinks an iced vanilla latte, we had to bring the whole Nespresso machine for it.
Are we not men? Do we not deserve? Everyone should have the option of iced vanilla lattes.
Mm-hmm. Wow!
Bam!
I'm finally able to get to responding to people's messages on Instagram. I died. Selena, this made me laugh.
God.
This is the greatest gift of all.
I was like, Keith, we need to bring this, right? Like, we need to buy this and bring it to the beach. And he's like, oh, yeah.
I appreciate that Keith and Hannah brought all of Trader Joe's. Snoop Dogg is all class.
Let me tell you about it. 19 crimes. Look at how old I'm getting. I'm reading it like this.
You're always talking about me.
Look at her scrape that ginger.
Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh, my darling, Arizona. Why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh, my mouth on fire, drowning in your holy water. Could be better. It's time to move on. Won't be yours forever. Holy water. Could be better. It's time to move on. Won't be yours forever. Now waiting in your basement, blood stains on your pink dress. Don't you leave me on the pavement.
I was taking a milk jug of beer. I'm gonna take a Starbucks cup of champagne.
Thank you so much, my dear.
Oh, thank you for each bringing us a personal bottle. We didn't even need these cups. How's your venti mimosa?
I mean, what a delight.
Thank you.
Is that off the secret menu at Starbucks?
You gotta know somebody to get this.
Uh-oh.
And a whole cake.